Alright guys, let's talk about how to make money online right now. Here we are in 2024 and we are in digital world. And the picture you are seeing on the screen is what I have made in last month. Checking at it, you can see that we have weeks, month, and the total earning over there. And this is about Google AdMo. You can do this with just your smartphone without having the knowledge of how to code. I now put step-by-step tutorial courses on how you can do this with just your mobile phone. The only thing you need is your internet connection, and which you have. That is why you are able to watch this video. And I've put things step by step. What are the benefits you are going to be earning? You will learn how to create a mobile app without having the ability to code, how to upload these apps on Play Store, and also how to make money from them. I mean to say how to monetize the app so that anytime someone download these apps, you earn money from it. How to put ads on this app that when people watch these ads, you get to earn money from it, and many more. And also how you can upload the apps on Play Store to make money out of it every single day. And the best part of it is I'll be giving out a lot of bonuses on how you can use, or strategies you can use to get traffic for people. I mean traffic, how people can get to know about your product, how best you can get people to download the app, how best people can recommend your app to other users, make it visible online. This and many more I have put together in this step-by-step video guide course. So if you're interested in learning all these things, kindly comment interested and I will send you the link to get started. As you know, my name is Ishmael and let's make money together.